In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy OneDrive storage in our full 2025 guide. Let's get started and make sure you have all the space you need for your important files and documents. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to the OneDrive website, which you can find at onedrive.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account. This will be the account linked to your OneDrive, so ensuring you use the correct credentials is quite essential. When you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. There you should see a gear icon which represents the settings. Click on this settings icon to open up the settings menu. From here you'll navigate through a series of options. Begin by selecting options. This will expand into a menu where you'll find upgrade, which you should click on next. Under the upgrade menu, select buy more storage. This will direct you to a page where you can explore various storage options available to you. Now it's time to decide on how much storage you actually need. You might see options such as 100 GB, 1 TB, or even bundles that come with a Microsoft 365 plan. Once you've made your choice from these available plans, it's time to proceed with the purchase. To do this, you'll need to provide your payment details. This is a secure transaction that links directly to your Microsoft account, ensuring that your purchase is both direct and secure. However, keep in mind that adding an option requires your payment information, which is necessary to complete the transaction. After entering your payment details, take a moment to review everything and confirm your purchase. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your new storage plan is active, allowing you to make the most of your expanded storage capacity. With the purchase successful, your OneDrive account will now reflect the additional storage, meaning you have plenty of space to store documents, photos, videos, and more. This expansion is directly tied to your Microsoft account, simplifying the management of your files. It's as straightforward as it sounds and ensures you never run out of valuable storage space when you need it most. Remember, the benefit of this method is its integration and security, made beneficial with its simple straightforwardness. So how about going back to your OneDrive and enjoying this newfound space? It's all set up and ready to use without any complexities. I hope this guide has clarified how easy it is to get more storage on OneDrive. Thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for more helpful tips and guides in our next videos. Happy storage!